everybody, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use the eraser tool. So you can get it by pressing Shift E or Shift E, or you can just click on that button right there, right that eraser button. Okay. Next thing is first I'm going to draw something. I'm going to draw this. I'm going to draw something. I'm just going to draw something random. Okay, let's just fill up this square. Okay. Alright, so now that we've drawn that, I'm just going to get the eraser tool and you can just draw. Cancel. And so you hold and then you drag it to whatever part you want to erase, and you can even create things like that. It's like a smiley face. So basically you just erase however you want. You just hold it and you drag it and that. And if you hold shift and then you click and drag, it creates straight lines. So you can go diagonal straight lines, you can go horizontal straight lines, you can go vertical straight lines. Okay, now the reason that this changed color is because the edge of that is the white part of the thing and that's the gray part. So now if I do this, you may think that all this gray bit has white marks on it now and you can't get rid of it, but it doesn't. So just the white marks over there disappears. Alright, now I'm going to show you something. So if you make some marks on it and then you click enter, you get a bunch of options. Now, so what you can do with these options is you can do that. I'm just going to change that back to 0. And you can also, so the roundness, and you can make it 0%. I don't know what that does. Oh wow, that just makes it weird. Okay, and you can also change this. Oh, it squishes it in. Okay, so and you can change the size to that, and it's going to change it to 50. And okay, now you can rub out things faster. And okay, so that's right in. Yeah, and you can even change it. I'm just gonna clean this one. Okay, and so that's basically how the eraser tool works. If you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button as well as the subscribe button, and bye, see you in my next video.